Hello and welcome guys. In this video session, we are going to see how to do print operation inside our Blazor application. In my previous series, in my previous session, I saw how to download PDF document or how to export to PDF inside Blazor application. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. So for today's session, I already created a page here. So this fetch data page, I am going to call into separate page. This is show table without any header. And inside the show document and print, here I am going to print a invoice. But you can see this invoice and the this table is coming with the menu with the left hand side navigation bar. So here I am doing this one using navigation manager and navigation manager dot navigate to, but I want to do this one. If I click on show table, it will open into a new tab and it will ask for me the printing option. If I click on show document, it will open with a new tab and it will ask for a print option. So how can I do this? For doing that one, let's inject the JavaScript runtime. So here I am injecting IJS runtime. Let's say IJS, and I don't need navigation manager dot navigate to now. Here I am going to do javascript dot invoke async. Here I am going to open with a blank with a new tab. Same thing I am going to do inside my invoice also. Next I have created one blank layout which is inheriting the layout component base. I am going to use this blank layout for my both table data and invoice. So here layout, I am going to give blank layout. Same thing for invoice also. Run the application and we will see it is opening with a new tab or not. So click on show table and print. It is coming with a new tab. Click on show table, show document and print. It is opening with a new tab. So now our opening the document, opening the pages with a new tab functionality is completed. Next step is to add the printing functionality. To printing functionality, I'm going to use our basic HTML window.print function. So for that, I'm going to override the body of main layout. So onload window.print. Okay, same thing I'm going to do. Same thing I'm going to do inside my invoice also. For this invoice page, actually, I taken some static data. You can use your own logic, own functionality to bind your dynamic data. So save the application and run it. Click on show table and print. So it is opening with a new tab. Then after it is opening the print dialog box. Here I can print to PDF or print to any printer. So if I want a printer, I can go for print any printer if any printer is configured in my machine, or else I am going to print to PDF. So click on print to PDF. So here I am going to give, let's say, weather report. Click on save. So you can see show document and print. Click on this. So you can see it is also opening with a new tab with print dialog. So here also I am printing let's say Blazor invoice, save. Now go to the our desktop. I saved the both document in my desktop. I'm going to open this one. So this is the weather report. Wait for a few seconds, it will open in Microsoft Edge. And Microsoft Edge is a slow application, automatically it will take few more time to open. Guys, every day I am uploading some new video. If you want any other functionality or any other logic in C# or .NET, please let me know your view in the comment box. So you can see it is open in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so let's open the Blazor invoice. I saved this one. Double click here, so you can also, it is also printing with PDF. So in this way we can print our Blazor data to printer or to PDF also. Guys, I hope you like my video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.